Stop.
You're funny.
Who's? This is fun.
Oh, wait.
What happened? What happened? I don't know. Maybe I push one button.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, honey. Okay, that's big enough.
This is fun.
Hey, why don't you spell your name?
Oh. N-O-A-8.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Last one, baby.
We're doing another one.
Last one. Wait.
That's all?
Uh-huh, that's all. Noah, there you go.
Rosie! Now do some of their faces.
Okay.
Rosie! Zombies!
You gotta get closer, honey. Go ahead. No, on my leg. There you go.
Ooh, what did that do? Oh, what did it do, huh? And what did that do us?
Good shot, honey.
Oh,
Oh, look, she gave you some love back, too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what did this thing do?
Which one are you using? Are you gonna shoot him now?
I don't know what's gonna happen.
You missed.
Ah! Miss, dang. Wait, what does that do? What does that do?
I don't know yet. Trying to find out.
Ah. What does that do? Oh, shoot it again. Oh, what did this do? That was It was how I'm off. I can wait that one.
You gotta have patience, honey.
Now I don't like.
Okay, my turn.
I want to do this first. What's that?
No, honey. Hey, you getting me shot too, honey. Okay, that's enough.
I want to do one more shot.
One more and that's it.
Let's do it. Where can I shot now?
Just pick one.
And I want to do that too. Is that bacon?
Mm-hmm. Don't touch it.
But what happened?
Honey, you can paint on yours.
Oh. Well, one. I don't know what's up. Oh,
What are you doing?
What that does? Looks like this one.
You're getting me shot, Noah. Okay, that's enough. Look out now.
Let me try 3.
No more. There you go.
Oh, wait a minute.
Noah. Okay, that's enough.